how to send location in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can send location in Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send a location in Messenger, go ahead and then basically open the Messenger application here itself. Once you open the Messenger app, just head over to a certain chat here, and over here you'll be able to see all this. To send them the location, you'll find the plus icon from the bottom left of the screen. Tap the little plus icon here and then just tap on location. Now tap on allow location access, tap on allow, tap on the allow option, and then tap on OK. Now just make sure to actually drag your precise location here and then just tap the send location option. After you do that, you'll basically be able to send this person your current location. This way you'll be able to send location on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.